good, Bit Rushers? My name is Kyler. In today's video, we're going to be talking about an NFT area that I think is just absolutely set to explode with growth in the next coming months and years. That area is Web3 crypto domains. We're going to get into the reasons why I'm so bullish on Web3 domain names in the video. If you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about this area of NFTs and the approach to buying and purchasing these type of NFT domain names so that you can maximize your profits, I'm going to get into strategy as well as where to get them, how to get them, what to look for, and why to buy. If that sounds good, do smash the thumbs up on this video and stick around. Everyone who's new, please sub to the channel. Click the bell to be notified on all future videos as they drop. I recently announced a 99-cent members only where you get early access to content, so go ahead and find that link below as well as several other investment projects. My social media, my free Telegram chat group, and everything else important is in the description below. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, so before we get into the content today and cover everything that we need to cover in terms of the actual domain names and where to pick them up and what to look for, we need to fully understand what it is we're getting and why we're getting it. So to come over to Web3 Foundation, web3.foundation/about, and we can learn a little bit more about what Web3 is. So our mission is to nurture cutting-edge applications for decentralized web software protocols. Our passion is delivering Web 3.0, a decentralized and fair internet where users control their own data, identity, and destiny. And it goes into a whole bunch of the things you can do with it. What exactly is Web 3.0? And it says, talk about Web 3.0 vision and how it relates to humanity going from a pre-computing civilization to a post-computing civilization. So you guys can watch that. And the journey to Web 3.0 with Gavin Wood. So a lot of great content here if you guys want. Basically, I'm going to sum it up for you like this. Web 1.0 was static web, where it was just a website. You went there, you read the text, and that was it. There was nothing that changed. There was no storage. It was just basically a plain static text website with some links that link things together. Moving into Web 2.0, we had the addition of databases, and so databases were able to store data to make like dynamic changes based on different things. You know, if you had certain attributes stored in the database or you were a member or things like that, you could get different return values based on the website. And so this was Web 2.0, having interactability and having storage of information on databases. Moving into Web 3.0, we're basically going one step further and giving the user now control. So instead of the information being stored in the individual database, centralized control through that one entity and their server, we can now store all of our own information on the blockchain through our wallet address. And so all of our information is available if we have the key that only we control. And so all of our information is stored on our wallet rather than on each individual wallet. And so that's basically what Web 3.0, it's taking back the control of your information and making a single point login, one username, one login that interacts with everything on the web, the future of the web. So this is the future, guys. This is what we're going to see moving forward in terms of websites, in terms of games, in terms of payment institutions and applications, different decentralized apps. Everything's moving this direction to Web 3.0. Okay, so today we want to talk about NFTs that are going to become domain names. So if you haven't heard about this, we're going to come over to Unstoppable Domains. This is where you're going to pick them up. And there are a lot of scams and fake websites out there, so if you guys want to make sure you're getting the correct website, please do use the link in the description. It's also an affiliate link, so if you use it and you purchase something, it will help out the channel a little bit. My direct link is unstoppabledomains.com/r/bitrush. Coming to the top right hand corner, we can just simply click sign up or sign in, and it's going to ask if you have a Google. We can sign in with Google, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so once we're logged in, we can come up to the top right hand corner, the three hamburger menu, and we can click on get a new domain. This will open up the search function, and also back at the home page, if you'd like, we can see that there is a sale for premium domain NFTs. If you'd like a more premium domain, they have started several sales, so we can click on that. And coming in, we can see that there's several categories they've launched. They're slowly launching all the categories one by one, so they don't sell out all at once. And we can see the big ones are going for a hefty price here. Refinance.crypto, 100K. Houses.crypto, 100K. So a lot of them have already sold out. You can see some of the more premium real estate ones. They go down in price the further you go down. And coming back up to the top, we can check there's travel and transportation. You can see some of these flights, tickets. There's also games and sports, and we can see a bunch of those: gambling, baseball, sport, rugby, run, a bunch of really cool ones. So we'll get into why you'd want to pick some of these up as an investment a little bit later. For right now, we're just going to go back to the regular search area. And so before we start searching and I get into strategy, let's talk a little bit more about why you'd want to pick a domain name up and what exactly they do. So the first thing that these domains do is they give you full ownership over the name. So each one of these is an NFT, which is a non-fungible token. It lives literally as an individual token inside of your wallet. You own it and you can transfer it, sell it, do anything you want. Once you purchase it, it's forever yours. So unlike traditional domains that need to be registered and renewed every single year, you purchase this once with your crypto, put it on the blockchain, and you're good to go. In addition to that, you have the option of building an unstoppable website. So based on the blockchain infrastructure, you can build and upload basic websites that cannot be taken down because they are living on the blockchain, unlike a traditional website that lives on a server somewhere. They are, looking to advance this technology. For right now, it's pretty basic. You can also point them at your regular website. So if you have a traditional website on the web already and you just want to get a crypto domain, you can also do that and forward it to your normal website. So websites is one area of use, using the domain name for an actual website and hosting something on the blockchain. Another area of use is as a wallet. So we mentioned that these basically act as, usernames, and so you can set your name, your .crypto name, to forward to every single wallet you have on almost every single blockchain available. Not every single one, because there's just like way too many, but all of the major blockchains are available, and we'll get into that later. That you can have one address that forwards to all your addresses. So for example, a Bitcoin address is different than an Ethereum address, and that's different than a Polkadot address. So we can have several of them loaded in. So my Bitcoin address, my Ethereum address, and my Polkadot address can all be one, which would be like bitrush.crypto. So you type in bitrush.crypto as the wallet address, and you can send me coins directly to any of those wallets, no matter whether it's you're sending Ethereum, Bitcoin, or Polkadot. You type in that name and it will forward the crypto to the proper account. So really powerful stuff. Easy to remember names that you can just quickly give someone. Hey, I want to pay you. Here's my name, bitrush.crypto. Doesn't matter what coin, send it and I'll get it. So that is really powerful stuff added on top of the domain name, and we can actually do both at the same time. It's not an or, it's an and or. So we can choose to do one or the other, or we can choose to do both. That's basically it for right now. However, there are several other things on the future of Web3 that you may want to take advantage of getting these things before they're released and become popular. So one of those things is going to be, as I mentioned, a username. Right now, when you log into most apps and most websites, you log in with your wallet. We're not quite there yet that we can use our domain name, our bitrush.crypto name, or whatever you have as your unstoppable crypto domain, Web3 domain, and be able to use that instead of the wallet, and it would automatically sync with all of your wallets. So that's something that in the near future, most likely will be developed and come out. They're also talking about having a forward function to email addresses. So just like you can forward to any single wallet, we're talking about having crypto mail or crypto messages, where it's be like a chat messenger app or some type of email app that we can use our crypto domains. You could send me an email to bitrush.crypto and it would forward over to bitrush9000 at gmail.com. or maybe just open up a chat in my Telegram chat or something like that. So we're not quite there with some of those features, but in the future we are going to see things like this and much, much more. This area is absolutely set for growth. Everything about Web3 and the combination of it being an NFT that you own forever makes me 100% bullish on unstoppable domains in this area of Web3 domains and usernames. So let's get into the content on how to pick one up, and I'll show you guys the buying process. Alright guys, so before we get into finding these domain names that we're going to pick up, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what makes a good domain name, what makes a good username. I do have a little bit of experience in this, as I previously ran a web development and internet marketing company, and I have in the past bought and sold for profit several domain names. It was not a main area of my business, but just something we did occasionally. So the main thing you want to look for is a short name, something that's quick and easy to remember, something that has a catchy, maybe popular name type of thing, pop culture. And so if we come back to the premium domains, we see a lot of these ones have been reserved. So a lot of them are not available, and they're being held out and released, through these sales. So just check back occasionally if you have something that you want, like rentals, that one's been purchased or something like that. If it's not in the areas they've already released, it's most likely going to be taken and reserved and released at a higher price. So for right now, while we're still in the early stages, we need to get things that are a little bit longer, maybe more than one word. Also, keep in mind that people like certain things, catchy little terms and things. So without getting too long, for example, say I like green eggs and ham, it's probably available. However, it's very long, and it's not going to be one that anyone wants and has any value unless you're that one person that really likes green eggs and ham, right? So let's keep things that can be used again. The other thing in mind is you want to keep things that are your own brand. So if you're a brand, try to come in and get as many of the ones that are close to your brand as possible. For me, my Telegram brand is DeFi Brains, so we're going to try to get that. I do spell it with the Z, so I imagine it will be available. Yep, we do see it available, so we can add that to cart. Let's add the .zil also. So .zil is on the Zil network, .crypto is on the Ethereum network. Let's also do the S, just because, like I said, we want to try to get as many as we can from the brand. So DeFi Brains with an S is available. I'm only going to take the .crypto. Let's see if without the S, just DeFi Brain. DeFi Brain is available, so add to cart. Okay, let's look for a couple other things. Let's try like some more DeFi things. Let's try DeFi Mafia. It's DeFi Mafia.crypto. Let's add that one. Let's try like Maniacs. Maniacs is available. Let's try without the C. Crypto DeFi Maniac is available. Let's try something easy like Easy Peasy 123. There we go. Easy Peasy 123.crypto is available, so let's add that one. Let's try like Swap 123. Again, Swap 123 is available. Let's add that one. So these are nice ones that I think will hold a resale value. Someone's looking for something quick and easy they can remember. Let's try another couple like kind of catchy names here. Let's go. I have a couple written down that I pre-search here, so that's why I'm just checking. Let's try Big Bags, I believe is available with the Z. I believe Mr. Big Bags. Let's try it with an S. Let's try Mr. Big Bag. Add to cart. Those are starting to look good. I want to see if I can get a couple more. Let's try like DeFi Boys with the Z. It's available. Perfect. Let me try my BitRush 9000 because that is my other brand name. Let's search that one. That one's available. We're going to get both of those. So right now we're looking at about $720. And the great news about these domain names, guys, is once you purchase them, you own them forever. There's never renewing them. And you can also pay with crypto. So let's just check to see my wallet, how much cash I got before I overload. Okay, looks like I have about $1,000 to spend here, guys. So let's keep finding a few more. Let's try something like Dragon. Let's just type in Dragon and see what we get. Something catchy. Dragon.crypto not available. Dragon shop, Dragon book. Let's try like a color. So this is what I was saying, like one word like this is going to be taken. So we got to try to find like an adjective. So like let's do like a color, like green dragon. So green dragon is taken. Green dragons with an S is available. So let's add that one. Let's try like ninja. Ninjas are popular. Anything like this, these type of things, people are gonna want to get like something ninja, UA ninja, UA ninja, Jin ninja or GI ninja, the daily ninja.crypto, Jin ninja, funny ninja, fun ninja, server ninja.crypto. That might be a good one. Ninja history.crypto, ninja history.zil. Let's add server ninja. That sounds kind of cool. Then let's do the colors again. Let's try like red ninja. So red ninja's available. Try like green ninja. Green ninja's available. Try like ETH ninja. So ETH ninja is available. Try BTC ninja. So BTC ninja's available. Try dot. Dot ninja's available. Let's try just crypto. Crypto Ninja is for sale by owner. So that's on the open marketplace. We wanted to get that one. So I think we're good on the ninjas. Let's try something else. Let's try like the unicorn. XXX unicorn.crypto. I don't know if that would be a popular one. I think I have a few I searched earlier. Cloud DeFi is available, I believe. Cloud DeFi, so let me get that one. Let's search some cash. Let's do like cash. Cash Nest. How about like Cash Wallet? Cash Wallets. Let's do like Crypto Wallet. Taken. Try like Crypto Wall. So taken. Try just wallet. Let's try like wallet names. Try like my wallet. All taken. We could do like numbers. Try like wallet 123. So that one's taken. How about 1234? So that's available. Wallet 1234. Add that one to the cart. We could also do like try other numbers like wallet 11. So that's taken. I think we're good here. We're at about 1,080. I think I'm actually over budget. Let's check again. Yeah, so with the ETH transaction, I don't think we're going to be able to make it. We might have to take one out. So let's go to the cart and let's just check. I think I'm going to remove just one. So DeFi Brains is good. DeFi Brains, DeFi Brains, DeFi Maniac, Mafia, Easy Peasy 123, Swap, Big Bags. All right, guys, I like all of them. I think I'm going to just try to get it through. If not, I might send a little bit more ETH to myself. So here we go. Let's go ahead and check out. So right here, we want to click Pay by Crypto if you do want to use your crypto. And we can see the total here. And if we want, let's start the transaction. Let me just double check my wallet because I think I'm not going to have enough to make it. And I want to get all of these. So I'm going to actually send a little bit of ETH to myself from my other wallet and just make sure I can cover the cost here. So let's do that real quick. And max that out. It'll give me an extra 200 bucks and that should help me cover this amount. Okay, that's complete. We now have about $1,300 in this wallet, so we should be able to cover those costs. So let's go ahead here and just click Start Transaction. You're going to be able to choose which coin you'd like to do. For us, it's going to be Ethereum, and it looks like 0.59. Let me make sure I have that again. Just double checking. Yes, we do. So click that. And right here, we can copy the amounts that we have. So let's copy this over and start a transaction here. To do this easier, guys, we're going to open up this side menu, Expand View. So the 3 hamburger, and just click Expand View. It opens your MetaMask wallet up into a tab, and it's just easier to work with so everything doesn't restart every time. So now we can paste that in, and we can come here and choose the amount. They made it nice and easy, so we can just copy that and paste it right in here. So there we go. We see the proper amount, and we're going to make a fast transaction, try to get it over there as fast as possible. Just double checking the address here, 0x77A, 0x77A. Perfect. Amount looks good. And next, and confirm. So it detected it right away, and they're waiting for that transaction to be mined. So let's just go ahead. If we want, we can click on this transaction, open it up, and view over on Etherscan. And we can see it looks like it's going to take about 4 minutes here to get through. Transaction cost was only $6, which is very cheap. And I'm going to actually, oh, there we go. I was going to speed it up, but that actually just went through really quick and easy. So there we go. Closing that down, close this down, come back over, and we should see we're waiting for the confirmation. So we're on 3 of 8 confirmations, waiting for that final one to go through, and we should be able to see these domains in our account. And once we have the domains, I'll go through and show you guys how to set them up and claim them. All right, one more transaction here. It does take about 5 to 10 minutes total for this to complete. And there we go. Thank you for your order. Tell your friends about Unstoppable Domains and earn $10 store credit for their first purchase. And that looks like our receipt. So from here, guys, we can go back up to our domains, so the hamburger menu in the top left, and my domains. We should now see all of our domains in our account. So you're going to have to claim these with crypto. So because they live on the blockchain, even though you own them here on your Unstoppable Domain account, they're not in your wallet just yet. So, okay, so we now need to claim our domains. We can claim them all if you had bought credits. It's about $40 per domain, and it's a little bit cheaper than using the gas depending on the current fees. For today's video, I'm just going to claim a single one to show you an example. I'm going to choose defibrains.crypto, and let's go ahead and claim with ETH. We're going to choose our Web3 wallet, which is our Ethereum wallet, and it says I understand. And make sure you choose the proper address. So it's basically saying the address that you're claiming with is going to be now the owner of this. It is an NFT, guys, so until you sell it or trade it, it's going to be in that wallet forever. Make sure it is your address, and it says I will pay the blockchain fee. So it looks like the current price is going to be an additional $62 based on current gas fees. If you buy that credit, you do save about $22 as of today's recording because it's only $40 per credit. So let's go ahead and just confirm this for the sake of the video, but if you guys want to save a little bit of money, you can buy those credits. And the claim process has started. It says your domains are now being deployed on the blockchain and into your wallet. This transaction is being executed on the Ethereum blockchain and gives you ownership over your domains. You can follow this transaction by searching your public address on Etherscan. When the Ethereum network is congested, it may take up to a week or longer unless you opted to pay your own blockchain fees. So here we go, view domains. And hopefully that one is in our wallet. Let's see. Do we see that one? There we go. So pending claim. Hopefully, after the few hours here, we'll see this in the wallet, and I'll be able to update you guys with all the different features that you can do with these once you have them in another video. That's basically it for today, going through, why I'm so bullish on these type of domains and how I think they'll be used in the future. A good strategy for investment, as always, not advice. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, but just giving you my strategy, how I approach it from my experience of buying domain names in the past, showing you a few examples of some ones I've picked up here, and showing you the process of buying and then claiming. Again, we'll go through in another video how to set them up and use them on an actual website and how to use to forward to your wallets. But that's everything for today. If you did enjoy it, please do smash a thumbs up on this video. If you have a friend or family member you think may also like this content, be sure to share it with them. Go ahead and throw it on social media, all that good stuff, guys. Find links for all of my projects below in the description. Look out for scammers and spammers in the comments. My address does have an official BitRush crypto tag on it, so make sure if you're doing anything in the comments or in the description, it is from the official BitRush crypto. That's everything for today. Again, guys, happy crypto. Let's get that coin.